Okay, let's create a CSGO server. First of all, we will assign an IP. Then we will able to create a server. Go to properties and go to nodes. Open it. Open your nodes. Allocations. Now assign the IP. Suppose 204 27015. We want to create a server on this IP and port. Submit. Okay, let's create a server. Go to servers. Create new. Type CSGO server. Okay, and choose the server owner. Okay, now choose the IP which we allocate 202.170.154.0 unlimited resources. 0 means unlimited, and choose source engine Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Okay, and now put your Steam token here. You can get it from Steam website. CSGO token. Okay. Okay, now let's log in. After login, type here 734 and type the CSGO server and create it. Okay, I already have the Steam token, so I will put in panel. Okay, let's create server. Click here to see the installations. Okay, started the installing the server. Now it will download the package of CSGO. It will take some time. I'm skipping the video. Okay, it's downloaded. Let's start the server. Okay, it's running. That's how you can create a server. If you don't know how to create this panel and setup, there's my other video you can see. But